and welcome to the Campus on Cloud learning program. Campus on Cloud is a cloud-based campus management solution that helps the university automate the operations of the admissions, registrar, and bursar office in an integrated way. This topic covers the class attendance functionality that Campus on Cloud offers. Attendance marking is generally performed by the faculty during the class. However, they can choose to get it marked offline by the administrators as well. In order to mark attendance, you need to be logged into the application. You can log in as an instructor or as an administrator. Once logged in, you need to navigate to the class attendance page in the academics menu. You will land on the search view that displays the list of classes being offered in a particular term and session. If you're logged in as an instructor, you see the classes that you're teaching. If you're logged in as an administrator, then you will see the set of all classes being offered by your school or department. Using the search, you need to look for the class whose attendance needs to be marked. I'm going to pick Eco 101 to demonstrate class attendance. You'll be taken to the calendar view that shows all the schedules created in the application for Eco 101 in this term. You can navigate to the required week using the calendar on the left. We will mark the attendance in the current week. In this week, we see some schedules in green and a schedule in blue. Green indicates that the class has been conducted and the attendance has been marked. Blue schedule indicates the class is probably not conducted and the attendance has not been marked as yet. Let me now mark the attendance for the class taught on Wednesday by clicking on the schedule card. You will land on the attendance roster listing all the students enrolled in the class. By default, the attendance has not been marked. The status of the class, the day, the time, and the duration all appear in the header. You can edit the timings to reflect the changes in the schedule, if any. Now, there are multiple ways of marking the attendance. The quickest way is to mark all students as present and then mark the exceptions. You can mark the attendance of an individual student by clicking on the P, A, or T next to the student. P means present, A means absent, and T means tardy. So if somebody was present but came in late, you can mark him as tardy and then specify the time at which he actually arrived. Attendance can also be marked for a group of students by selecting a collection and then clicking on an attendance action button next to any student in the group. If corrections are required, you can use the undo button that helps undo your last 10 actions. As you complete the attendance marking, the analytics on the top right keep updating. Out of the 9 students enrolled in the class, you see 5 marked as present, 1 marked as absent, and 1 marked as tardy. You can save your attendance. You will now see the attendance distribution for the entire class. 56% marked as present, 11 marked as absent, 11 marked as tardy, and 22% are not yet marked. If you click on an individual student, you can see his attendance trend, the number of classes attended, the classes missed, and the number of times that he was tardy in the selected term and session. For every student, the little graph icon shows his attendance health in percentage. The health indicators have been set up as part of the attendance controls and can be configured for the customer. You can press Done to conclude attendance marking. If some of the attendance was still unmarked, system lets you mark a default attendance for all of the unmarked students. I hope you learned how to use the class attendance feature. For further learning on COC, I recommend taking full advantage of all the topics on Campus and Cloud Learning Forum. If you have any questions or comments, you can find me on coc help@techlogix.com. Thank you